Hold on, Leslie.
Whoa! Holy crap. Holy crap.
That's a good video. Oh, poor Wesley's got his tail all curled under. He's so sweet.
That's what's left of the car.
Oh my god! Coolest before and after ever. See, my brother didn't believe me that we were blowing up a car, and I tried to tell him. And I'm like, really, we're blowing up a car. Holy shit, look at that.
That's what's left of it.
Is this that's a stupid question. This obviously isn't going to shock you.
No, it's not.
I want to see. Holy shit. Wesley. Oh, nope. He's pretty good.
Alright?
Did that scare you?
You okay?
Oh.
You're alright? Yeah, you're okay.
Wesley, come on.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, did it scare the little kid?
Holy
I started
crap.
running. I was like, we're going to get hit?
Do you see how high those
Yeah.
pieces flew?
They flew like straight up.